If you want to add a dual clock widget on the lock screen of your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus, so in this video I will show you how to do that. Now to do that, just swipe down from the top left of the screen and open the notifications panel. Now from here, just tap and hold on the empty space on your notifications panel and select Customize. Now on this screen, you will find an option called Add Widget. Just tap on it. Now from this list, just look for the clock app. Then tap on it. And from here, just select the widget which is called City Digital. Now just select the clock type which you like. I will select this one. Now just tap on the clock widget. And from here, just select a region for your clock. For example, I will select Russia. Now just tap on the clock widget one more time to add a second clock. Now just tap on the second clock and select another region for your second clock. For an example, I will select the USA. And after you do that, just close the widget section. And from here, you can change the widget place from top to bottom. And remember that if you move your clock widget to the top, and if you have enabled the extended clock style, your clock widget will disable the extended clock style on your iPhone. And once you're satisfied with your edit, just tap on Done to save. Just like that. And this is how you can add dual clock on the lock screen on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.